Sometimes the artist gets in the way of the art. Don't let them. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. I was just talking to my friend, totally unaware of the camera. I promise that won't happen again. Well, hello. My name is Ken Holmes. I am an actor and a writer, perhaps best known for playing the burglar in the Sundance hit Cold in July. I wrote the comedy that you're about to watch, Old Hearts Cafe, using methods from the distancing effect. It's about a motley crew of poets, philosophers, and just all-around oddballs who frequent the title operation of business. The first character that you are about to see is named Markus Montage. I will play that role, and I will play the role using, hopefully, both sensitivity and irony. The series that you're about to watch was directed by Cameron Gallagher and Greg Boyer. They're known for the Espion's Films miniseries, And Then They Came. I am the force behind Rain and Neon Productions, which is also distributing this. They did one previous title, a one-man play, I know those are very popular, entitled Talking Aloud Alone, featuring many characters like Jacob, Ostracize, Herman Humphrey, and you will see some of those very characters in this series. Talking Aloud Alone was also recorded, it was performed twice, and it was recorded for television during the second performance. So, yeah, sit back, relax, enjoy, as the cliche goes, and prepare yourselves for Old Hearts Cafe. Markus Montage, take us away, s'il vous plaît. Well, actually, I play Markus, so I'll start the show. Enjoy. I once wrote that an intellectual is someone whose mind is occupied by things other than sex. I guess that makes me an occasional intellectual. Hi, I'm Markus, a dishwasher with dreams of becoming a filmmaker. I work in Old Hearts Cafe as a dishwasher, lost in thought. Meanwhile, drowning in memories. A lot of cool cats come to the cafe. There's Jacob, poet and philosopher who speaks with an accent, so he's pretty interesting. There's Ostracize, an elderly mentor and Shakespeare enthusiast who refers to his age a lot. There's Neil, British chap, dresses in brown, talks about pencils running recklessly across Paul McCartney. There's Bob, dry-throat waits, a folk singer with a raspy voice and occasionally genius lyrics. And then there's Rico, musician and slam poet, who admires the aforementioned thinkers. I like writing in cafes, but not the cafe for which I work. Too much distraction, too much baggage, and it would really quell my creative process, I feel. listen to the streets. I listen to my radio. Lost in my own mourning and aspirations. Drowning in memories. I know I'm an artist because I drink coffee black. I have a blog. I know a lot about cameras. I drink too much. I'm sexually frustrated. I hear voices, and I often seem like I'm not where I am. I'm in a one-man band called No Name. We just released our first album. It's called When You Look Up at the Stars, They're Laughing Down at You. We released it on vinyl because I'm a real artist who actually appreciates the way music sounds. CDs only scratch the surface. They're artificial. Vinyl is the truth. I also play didgeridoo and create static sound effects for Rico's lowercase band, Buckets of Blood, or Buckets of Fun, whatever we call ourselves. Doesn't much matter. Nobody can hear us. I'm too complicated to fully grasp in just one episode. That's why I'm gonna be a recurring character. Watch me battle with angst and passion. Watch me struggle with work and nonconformity. Watch Markus, the adventures of a dishwasher with dreams of becoming a filmmaker. My soul is frozen. It flows through my listening ambiguity. Where am I? Said the dev softly. Just follow over the troll's breath. What can I do to better my existence? I feel so dull. My life is dead. How can I find my life again? The shadow of my existence, its reign is over. It's been set on fire, cut apart. Where has my joy gone? I yell to the mountains. I yell for nature, but all I find is technology. I reach for the stars to hear you.